The signature glowy skin look is my absolute favorite look. It is simply perfect for every day. First, you should find out which foundation shade suits you best. Apply the different shades at the transition from face to neck so you can easily see which shade suits you. If you feel like you are between two shades, you can of course mix them quite easily. For Antonia, I use shade 1 and 2 and mix them 1 to 1. For the glowy skin look, I use 4 colors from the Perfect Eyeshadow collection. I start by applying the lightest color, matte cream, as a base over the entire eyelid. To give the eye some depth, I then apply the color matte amber into the crease. Then follows the color metallic rust, which I apply to the entire movable lid. The color metallic rose in the inner corner of the eye makes the eye appear larger and brings it to life. Along the lower lash line, I now apply the color matte amber and blend it towards the center. The result is a beautiful daily eye makeup. I use the Intense Effect mascara to give the lashes a perfect curl. Due to the curved shape of the brush and the intense color delivery, I only need to brush over the lashes a few times to achieve a perfect result. Then I shape the eyebrows with the Shaping Eyebrow Gel, here in the color light. The texture is perfect for filling small gaps and making the eyebrows appear fuller. With the Contouring Liquid Bronzer, I now move on to accentuate the facial contours. Using a brush, but you can also use a beauty blender, I apply the creamy texture where I want to give the face depth. With the Silky Liquid Blush, we now give the cheeks a touch of freshness and color. The silky texture is super easy to apply with a brush or a beauty blender. Our glowy liquid highlighter is an absolute must-have for every signature look. I prefer to apply the highlighter with my fingers. Now, I apply the Flawless Fixing Powder with a fluffy brush to the T-zone to reduce unwanted shine and highlight the beautiful facial contours as well as the rosy, silkily shimmering cheeks. The result is a velvety, matte finish. The soft lip liner and silky matte lipstick in the color Rosy Nude are perfect for our natural glowy skin look. The fine tip of the lip liner allows me to trace the lip contours very precisely before applying the lipstick. The signature glowy skin look creates a fresh, radiant complexion and is perfect for every day.